The highs with the lowest lows. That's like these days. World change, all the on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways.
3 years in, 3 years in, and we're still going through the same problems. But you know, that's okay. Because if it was easy, everyone would do it. And you know, a lot of people are doing it now, and that's awesome. But it really is tough sometimes, you know? So we went from this to this, and we went from on the color this.
To have a time to nine, sure you keep that burner tuck, cause they...
So those two printers should be good now, and all they need is some minor cleaning with it. And now you know why my fingers look like this. And guys, check this out. This is the alignment tool that we made right there. It's gonna tell you whether you're centered. So as you can see there, horizontal alignment is off, but when you adjust it, centered. And we also have this right here, which tells us what to do with calibration. So at first it was like this, so you have to add to it, and then right here, perfectly lined up. Early morning coffee.
I've been pacing my pace in the kamikaze. I've been making my makers hit with a coffin. I pull it all the stops to make a profit.
But we're not quite done yet because we're going to be working on the mongoose as well. The mongoose colors are good. We've been able to adjust them. But, you know, it's a little bit grainy and we haven't used it in a bit. How are we doing on the mongoose? We haven't finished yet, but it's noon time and we're hungry and I need a mental break. She needs a mental break. $6:10. We're heading out to, where are we going, Rain?
Movie?
We're going to the movies. Take a little mental break from all the work that we did today. Ma, how much did you ship today?
35 orders.
35 orders. Too many?
You want less orders, Mama?
No.
No.
You haven't seen tomorrow's.
No,
Oh,
tomorrow
goodness.
is hectic.
Tomorrow's crazy.
How many orders are you doing?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow's a record day for us.
Yeah.
But we're adding some stuff into Merch Studio, the business. What we got? What was your favorite part? Megatron. Yeah. 11:21 p.m. and I just got out of the gym right there. Yeah, I know, but it's the only gym that's 24 hours here, so we're just gonna deal with it. I do have a home gym, but it gets boring in there, and this is the only thing that I do outside the house and the shop on a regular basis, so I'm just gonna keep on doing it. I'm on my way home, and then I'm gonna check if Raven's still awake. If he's still awake, then we might have a meeting. If not, we're gonna do it tomorrow because I'm tired too. I woke up at about 6 o'clock. It's 6:30 right now in the morning, and I need to drop Rain off in about an hour. And it takes about 10 minutes to get to the gym. So I've got the home gym. I figured I'd just use it. And I used to be really obsessed about working out and all that stuff, and then we got into business and it just ate up my time for the past 3 years until early this year. I woke up with a really big headache and, pain in the back of my neck, and I had to go to the doctor, and it turned out my blood pressure was, I think it was 220 over 160, and it's a miracle that I didn't get a stroke, but I decided to make a change after that. All right, time to get back to the work.
Hello, Gerald.
Kamusta pa?
Okay, okay lang. Di ba Ilonggo ka?
Ilonggo ko. When do you want to talk about Caprivo? When do you have time to do that?
Ano oras ka balik dito?
I'm just dropping off Rain and then I'm coming back.
We can do that.
Okay, I'm on my way. All right.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's talk. Where we headed? We're going to Thai food. It is right now, what time is it? 12:40.
Out of the house today.
Yeah, I've been working out of the house.
Less distractions.
Yes, sir, for sure. So I've been in a meeting with my friend and new partner, Chris, right here. We're doing some good stuff for y'all. It's gonna be amazing. Just watch out for it. It's gonna happen soon. Chris, you want to say something?
I'm looking forward to it. I've been friends with you for a little while, and been really good to meet up with you and meet your family and become really good friends. So I'm looking forward to this next journey.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun and productive and helpful. So watch out for that. All right, I think I'm done with this edit. There's a whole bunch of comments there. See that? All of those are comments from my editor. But those are mostly subtitles because some of the parts of this video are in Filipino. So I'm just putting subtitles to translate it to English. But it's time to go to the gym now so I can go running for about an hour. We're back in the shop. We're gonna work on one of the oddlies again. I swear, man, it never ends. So we've almost sorted out that oddly, and now we're gonna be working on the mongoose. So we got the ICC profile done, but it's still not gonna be perfect because you still have to make those adjustments for color, and it's a color theory thing. And we got it close, but we haven't been curing it, so now they're curing it, and we'll see what they look like in a bit. Hello! Mamam? Tayo ako. Tayo nga ako. Darts ka ba? Ha? Natulog. Parang doon mo naman darts. Darts. So here's where we're at right now. That is your printer number 2. That's printer number 4, which, they're almost identical. Not surprising at all. But the mongoose, here it is. Wheels a little bit darker, so we need to adjust some of the black, but what do y'all think? This one has been running. This one is our newly adjusted one. 6:34 p.m. and I'm heading back to the shop to show you how many boxes we're shipping out today. My hair. I need to get a haircut.
My motivation these days is different. I mostly beat on myself. I don't want to spoil a couple things I prayed for and was gifted. Just peep the drive, see how I stayed in my lane when they shifted. I knew that time could not erase what my destiny's written. Right there next to these writtens. In my skin and my DNA like
Alright, look at this, guys. This is all you. And none of this would happen without any of your support, so we really, really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.